Preface. Welcome to Computer Networks by N.B. Singh. In today's interconnected world, computer networks play a vital role in facilitating communication, sharing resources, and accessing information. This book is designed for individuals who are new to the field of computer networks and have limited mathematical background. Whether you're a student, a professional exploring a new career path, or simply curious about how the internet works, this book will provide you with a solid foundation in understanding computer networks. Why this book? Computer networks are everywhere, from the devices we use daily to the infrastructure that powers the internet. Understanding how these networks function is essential for navigating the digital world effectively. However, many introductory resources on this topic assume a certain level of technical knowledge or mathematical proficiency, making them inaccessible to beginners. This book fills that gap by offering a gentle introduction to computer networks, written in clear and accessible language without overwhelming readers with complex mathematical concepts. What you'll learn. In this book, you'll embark on a journey through the fascinating world of computer networks, starting from the very basics and gradually building your understanding. We'll cover topics such as network architecture, data transmission protocols, security, and much more. Each concept is explained in simple terms, with real-world examples and illustrations to help you visualize and grasp the material easily. By the end of the book, you'll have a solid understanding of how computer networks operate and their importance in our digital lives. Who should read this book? This book is intended for anyone who wants to learn about computer networks, regardless of their background or level of expertise. Whether you're a student studying computer science, an IT professional looking to expand your knowledge, or a curious individual interested in technology, you'll find valuable information and insights within these pages. No prior experience in networking or advanced mathematics is required, just a curious mind and a willingness to learn. How to use this book. Each chapter of this book is designed to be self-contained, allowing you to learn at your own pace and focus on the topics that interest you most. We recommend starting from the beginning and working your way through sequentially as the concepts build upon each other. However, feel free to skip around or revisit chapters as needed to suit your learning style. Additionally, each chapter includes review questions and exercises to help reinforce your understanding and apply what you've learned. What sets this book apart? What sets this book apart from others is its focus on simplicity and accessibility. We've taken great care to explain complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand, avoiding unnecessary technical jargon and mathematical formalisms. Our goal is to make the topic of computer networks approachable and engaging for readers of all backgrounds, ensuring that everyone can benefit from the knowledge contained within these pages. Enjoy your learning journey. Hope you find computer networks both informative and enjoyable. As you embark on your journey through the world of computer networks, remember to take your time, ask questions, and experiment with what you've learned. By the end of this book, we're confident that you'll have a newfound appreciation for the technology that powers our interconnected world. Introduction to computer networks. Computer networks play a pivotal role in the modern world.